Tennis elbow. What a pain in the ass. Well, pain in the elbow. Technical name is lateral epicondylitis. It's inflammation of the outside tendon. So if you watch when I'm doing anything repetitive, you can see that actual line of that muscle flickering. So any repetitive movement over and over again can cause inflammation and irritation. And if we're not having the right minerals, nutrients, exercise to release it, then it tends to continue or refer. So some of the muscles that we release with tennis elbow are the coracobrachialis. It's an internal muscle here, inside muscle of the arm. The pec minor, which is attached to the coracoid process bone, and the deeper muscles under the elbow and under the armpit. So the serratus anterior and the subscap. These muscles and the infraspinatus